Hello, this is the model 1928 Chicago Typewriter version of the Thompson by Cybergun and CYMA. At 465 FPS, this thing is a beast. Let's get down to the box. Opening the box, you find the gun, a 450 round high cap magazine, and the battery, which this is not it. I burnt out the battery that came with it, but this is a good battery that I bought on Airsoft GI for $40. Let's get down to the... We will start from the back of the gun and work towards the front for this video. Starting with the back, this is wood, obviously. It's made of ABS plastic, but it looks very real. Has a 1-point sling on it, and the battery goes in this compartment back here. Let me put it... I have a 9.6 volt battery in there with about a half an inch of spare room left, but it would be a tight fit if you to put anything else in there. Closing it up is just as easy as opening it. You put it in like that, and you close the little cap, and it is locked securely into place. Moving up, we have the upper receiver. Full metal, and it has patents and designs on it to make it seem more realistic than ever. It has the real style trigger and safety. Here, safe and fire, and here, semi-automatic and full. Here we have the trigger, which is very easy to use. Put on fire, it clicks with a nice sturdy click. Now, this gun has a 450 round high cap magazine by CYMA. Putting it in is simple, although I do not have a tripod, so I cannot put it in easily. I will do my best, but I do not think I'm going to be able to. No, I will not. Okay. With the magazine in, this thing weighs about 7.5 to 8 pounds. There, we have the foregrip, which is also ABS plastic, but it is very nice. The orange tip is pretty fat, but it's not that ugly, especially because this gun is sick looking anyway. Flipping the gun around, you can see that it has a non-functioning cocking lever. It doesn't pull anything open, not even the hop-up, because that is right there. The charging handle slides back very easily, but it is not really used for anything in particular. Here it has US patents, don't know why, but it makes it look even more realistic. This gun is said to shoot 465 FPS. I'm not 100% sure though, I would not go on that. It would probably be about 430 or 420. On the inside, the hop-up, I'm sad to say, is plastic. With the hop-up off with my 9.6 volt battery, it is dead accurate at around 200 feet. I highly recommend this, especially because the gearbox is a version 2, I want to say, and it is full metal gearbox, especially with the steel bushings. Everything in here, everything on this gun is full metal except for the hop-up, which you could easily get replaced for probably 30 or 40 bucks. This gun is definitely a beast, and I would like to sell it. I'm selling this gun because I'm only 14 or 15, and it's a bit too heavy for me when I'm running around in the woods for a good 3 or 4 hours. I suggest not having a secondary for using this gun. It's good enough to be only a primary, and it would also take the strain off of you. I'm selling this gun for 170 bucks. Now you might be saying that's a lot of money, but if you were to go to Airsoft GI, this gun is 215 bucks plus tax and shipping. Now, I would sell this on eBay, but please comment if you would like to buy it, and I'll try to get in touch with you. This gun is full metal, very nice, and I would like to sell it. Now let's get to shooting. Here I have .25 Matrix BBs, and I'm going to load them into this gun. To load it, you don't even have to take the magazine out. I mean, you can if you want, but you don't have to. You open up this little trap door, and you load the BBs in, which I only have one hand, so I will do it right now and then get back to the video. Okay, these are the sights, standard Thompson sights, and as I said, this gun is very accurate. That's about 90 feet away, and it'll make it without even trying. Sorry, it's on safety. Turn the safety off. As I said, I'm not even aiming right now. I'm just firing from the hip. Not even the hip, on my chest. If I shoot in the distance across the pond, there's that tree. I'm angling up a little bit, but it's reaching over there. This gun can go about 200 feet before it goes down. This gun is very accurate. It just hit that tree twice in a row. I have the hop up totally off right now. If I turned it up, it wouldn't be very accurate. Now, I'm full auto with my 9.6 volt battery, which I'm willing to give with the gun. This rate of fire is decently fast, as you'll see in 1 second. And then I have to wind the mag now, which I cannot do with one hand, so here I am again. Here's the Thompson. This one is very accurate. And this rate of fire is crazy fast. If you'd like to buy this gun, comment on my video and give a price or something. I'll email you if you want me to. Or I might put it on eBay if you want to. I might have to raise the price a bit though, because I just realized how awesome this gun is. Again, this thing weighs about 8 pounds and it's full metal, including the gearbox and bushings. Thanks for watching. Again, I suggest you get this gun from me, please. Airsoft GI gives you an 8.6 volt battery that pretty much gives a rate of fire of around 12 to 13 BBs a second. This one is easily an 18 or 19, maybe even 20. And FMN1 out.